So I come home and I see little kitties run into my garage. They're very angry. Little feral kitties. They're mean. But I brought them food. They're very angry. There's like 3 or 4. There's a little black one right there. What? It's okay. What? They really hate me. There's the black one. You're alright? Hi. Hi. You're okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to feed one. Oh, there's the other one huddled under it. Oh. I'm sorry if you hate me. You're living in my garage. I think there's like 4. These little guys are living here. Okay. What? I know you're gonna hate me, but I'm trying to feed you. What? It's food. Oh gosh. So this is my project for now. I'm just gonna sit out here with them until they finally get comfortable with me. It's gonna take days or weeks. What? They're so angry. The little black one's gorgeous. He's going for the food. You're one smart kitty, aren't you? How long have you guys been living here? You okay? He's thinking about eating the food. Look, it's eating it. Oh, the little gray one wants some. Don't you get angry at me. I'm feeding you food. Don't hiss at it, it's food. There. I threw some to you, little gray one. Little gray one. Eat it. It's nummy food. Oh, the black one's eating it. No, that's your friends. That is your friends. Aww. Aw. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Please eat it, little gray one. It's okay. I'm sorry if this is boring. I'm just kind of amazed. I'm gonna feed you and you're gonna get angry at me, little black one, aren't you? So now that there's no more food, it's like, what do I do? It's letting me pet it, guys. Oh, it's coming out of its shell. It's letting me pet it. These were completely feral a minute ago. They hated me a minute ago. Want some more? I'm gonna try to feed the gray one again. It's okay with being pet. These little guys were hungry. It's completely fine with me just loving on it right now.
It's taco night! Taco night! It's taco night! Taco, 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 taco. I was promised tacos. Make me tacos. Oh god. Slow, glorious baby.
Dude, I kind of miss a gas stove though.
Yeah.
Because you can actually warm a tortilla on the open flame on a gas stove if you're careful. Please don't catch your house on tortilla fire.
On tortilla fire!
Caution is the key to that technique. I ain't used to this.
You're cooking snazzy.
Schnazzy.
A snazzy life. Look at the snazzy life.
I don't know what that was.
Look at you go.
I'm awesome.
You're awesome. No, you're not, dude. Don't lie.
I'm awesome. Driving around in my mom's ride. That song explains our amount of coolness a little too well.
We're very cool.
We're so cool.
We're hip.
The coolest. Duh.
Duh. I'm up for it if you are. Ooh la
Wait,
la.
wait. My bangs were in the way.
Baby.
That was almost creepy.
That was supposed to be creepy. If you found that seductive, I'm worried about you.
Oh my.
Oh, honey.
Oh my. Oh my. Sir, I do declare.
Can we eat tacos now?
Yes.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Such a pretty boy. Handsome man. Handsome man.
So this one came out, and now I found out there's another little black kitty. And this one's friendlier. It's already letting me pet it. Oh! Okay, I'm sorry. This one didn't mind me so much. It actually let me pick it up for a second a minute ago. So as far as I know... Hi! There's two little black ones. And then a white and gray one. But yeah, that's the two babies right now. The other one's still very, very shy. But this one actually lets me pet it. It's hungry. I didn't even know this one was here until the other black one, which is obviously kind of the dominant sibling, was eating all of the turkey. And this one came out of a shell to get some of the ones that the other one missed. And this one's just totally chill with me petting it and stuff. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look at how cute. Oh, back away you go. Oh, back out you come. You're hungry, huh? These are my new kitty friends. I'm like Roxy now. I think there's 3. There might be 4. The other one may just be really shy. Oh, I'm sorry. There, see? You like big pet, huh? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cresta. Happy birthday to you.
Oh God.
Save the pudding!
Pudding and my strawberries, you get wax all over the strawberries! It's okay. Oh shit, there's something still burning on the counter.
Somebody decided he wanted out. And he was being a sweetheart, so he's allowed out. Say, hello, my name is Spirit.
Hello.
He is confused.
He's like, what's that bird doing?
Don't actually remember how old he is. Definitely over 5. You flirting? He's flirting. He's like, hello.
Hi.
Do you find me appealing? Oh. He's like, so you're the one dating my daddy. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Oh, did you not know? Is this a surprise to you? Yes, we're together. You've been in a few of my videos, way in the past. What you doing? Breaking my heart?
Working on it.
We're breaking up. Never mind, Spirit, we're breaking up, so you don't have to worry.
I write sad fan fiction sometimes.
And you just break my heart, so thanks.
I'm like multitasking like a boss here. I've got my cosplay, my fic. Actually, that's for when I stop having an idea and I have to think for a few.
You need to actually be sewing.
Mm-hmm.
You need to actually be sewing.
No, I need to be writing fic.
Alright.
Fic.
It'll all get done in time, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
Con's less than a month away.
Yeah, I've got till like 6 a.m.
Yeah!
Yeah! I don't sleep.
What is sleep?
What is sleep?
When Con is around the corner, there is no sleep.
I don't sleep at night.
This is all work. Work! Cosplay work! Less than a month. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Think about
Are you excited?
it. I am excited.
Less than a month away.
No, I'm terrified.
Pressure!
I am both proud and terrified, and the feelings are mixing in my body.
So then we're on Earl. Where you got that line?
Yes.
Look at all
Earl
these.
is both proud and terrified.
These are uber cool.
Scoutmaster.
So cool.
Scoutmaster's wig came in today.
Oh yeah.
So ginger.
Such a happy day when the wig comes in. All the fear of it
Much
getting
redhead.
lost.
Much redhead, such ginger.
It didn't get
Kitsu.
lost in the mail.
Kitsu's gonna be our Earl at
Kitsu was
TNT.
the Kevin in our Welcome to the Former Night Vale video.
Yes. She
And
was
she's
the
going to
Kevin.
make an adorable Earl.
Yes, she is. And this is going to be Earl's uniform.
He's so
Yay!
cute.
And all of his merit badges.
Which you guys sew individually.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. But also,
now I know what a den mother feels like.
Oh.
Like having to sew on the kids' patches, man.
damn. It's a painful process. You want a kid? Want a boy?
You want a boy.
I do want a boy.
I'm throwing
really
in scouts.
Oh. We'll talk about it whenever it actually happens. I made StrexPets. For those Night Vale fans out there, I made StrexPets. And I am proud of them because they turned out exactly how I wanted them to. Look at those cute things. I made the eyes out of clay. They're so cute. So cute. So these will be going to Con, and hopefully Con stuff doesn't think that we brought in a cat. I should make a little mouse. A bloody mouse to just like have in the paw of one of them. They're not supposed to eat mice. I trained it to. But they're adorable, and I'm proud of them. It only took me like a week. I'm excited. Normally I have to just like look at something that I've made and go, yeah, that's kind of close to what I had in mind. These turned out exactly how I wanted. So I'm happy. Yay. And then Seb is being worked on right now. He's decapitated body. And there's the head. Oh, projects. Half-finished projects. They're so awkward sometimes.
Yeah.
Little Seb, no!
Random body parts.
You're like Dirk.
You know.
Just a
Oh, you fucking dick.
Oh no, the StrexPets ate little Seb. No!
So almost cannibalism since they're biomachines and he's a machine. That's like 50% cannibalism, man.
Also, the cutest thing happened between this cutie and this cutie. I gave them each a little bit of peanut butter, and then they realized that each other tasted like peanut butter, so they started licking each other, and it was beyond adorable, and I vlogger failed and was not able to get it. Look! Like father, like son. Lifeblood. Coffee. Coffee at 11. We're gonna be up all night. Party hard.
All night to drink coffee.
Wherefore art thou, energy? I remember whenever I was little and I used to get very aggravated when adults would look at me playing around and they'd be like, oh, if only I could bottle that energy, and oh, if only I could be young again and have that energy, and oh, where do they get that energy? It annoyed me so bad as a kid. Now I'm trying so hard to bite my tongue any time I see a hyper kid, and I'm just like, yeah, I want to say it. I need to say it. Where do you get the energy?
Where do they get all that energy? I wish I could take a nap in the middle of the day.
All the old people comments, and now we catch ourselves wanting to make them.
Ooh, I want it.
You want what?
Anatomical heart locket.
Oh, that's adorable.
It's so cute.
So cute.
It even has all of the little, like the correct little sections of the heart inside.
That is cute. You need that.
You could roll up your hopes and dreams on little notes and stick them in there.
Aww. Alright, that was too precious. Alright, how much is it? You can have it. No, okay. When she melts my heart, she may have an anatomical heart. Since mine is now not anatomically correct and has melted into a puddle.
Melted is better than broken.
It is. I love you.
So I figured out there's 4 of them. There's the other white one under there. This is the new one. It finally came out. I'm making kitty noises and they come out. There's the little black one with its head back there. Then there's another one over there. There might be 4. There might be 5. There's the other one. Oh, they're so hungry. So there's 4. There's 4 of them. The other black ones, there's its head. There they are. But I hear another one calling me whenever I make kitty noises. Do you hear it? And it's further back in my garage.
So So this is something that I've been having to work on. Making Cal. Kind of like our Cal doll. This, I make. This is what it looks like at first, and it's absolutely petrifying. It gets even more petrifying when you add in the eyeballs. Terrifying. And I have to stare at this while I work on it. So creepy. So creepy.
Yeah, I just got home from work and I saw a kitten run under the garage door and I was like, what are you doing? Oh, hi kitten. So I kind of just rushed inside and grabbed my camera and started filming them for you. But yeah, that was my surprise of the day. And I found out there are 5, not 4. Because right after my camera died, another one kind of scrambled underneath the door and started chowing down on the food that I brought it. And it's another gray and white one. So, and I really like them. And I kind of got to spend a little bit more time with the kittens. I was able to pick 2 up and hold them without them freaking out. And also was able to completely pet them without them trying to attack me while they were eating. 5 kittens living on my property that I hadn't known about. Like, you don't expect to come home from work and be like, kittens, hi, you live here now. Nice to meet you. So I hope you enjoyed the fluffy kittens. And I'll get the video camera out in the daylight and whenever they get a little bit more used to me so I can show you all 5.
There's a June bug in the house.